You want to move your product into another clean room, but instead of moving the vessel, you just want to move your product into the clean room. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Take off the clamp by unscrewing the knob. The blind cap and the gasket can be removed now. Continue by inserting the ROMY-Pass halfway and secure this end of the mouse hole. This way this end is airtight and particles won't come out from this end. On the other side of the mouse hole, open it up the same way as before. Remove the clamp, blind cap and the gasket from its place. You can now take out the tube ends and the ROMY-Pass on this end, then secure this in place by placing the ring with a clamp on the mouse hole. After securing the assembly, you can pull tubes at desired length and you are ready for transfer. Let's analyze the assembly. So many options available. Explore the possibilities of the ROMY-Pass at our website and contact our experts.